Demand for video editing services is growing rapidly in 2023. With more and more businesses moving online, video editing is a must-have for your online marketing needs. There are many places where you can make money online, such as Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. One of our VIP users grows his video editing business on Fiverr. He has been a seller on Fiverr for several years. I am a Wondershare Virbo avatar, the video generation tool for making videos without expensive equipment. You can make money like him by making marketing videos on Virbo with a few simple clicks. In this video, we're going to focus specifically on Fiverr and how you can grow your video editing business even if you have no prior experience. Let's take a closer look. There were thousands of available services on Fiverr when we searched for spokesperson. I would like to show you how to make a spokesperson video at just 10% of the cost, with a turnaround time of 10 minutes. With Virbo's AI script function, you can create high-quality scripts in seconds. You can choose your ideal avatar from a diverse collection of over 100+ avatars representing various ethnicities and ages with a great variety of poses and attire. You can also choose from a collection of high-quality voices or get a custom voice that matches your avatar. Templates for a wide range of applications help to save you time when designing your video. Say goodbye to expensive equipment, inconsistent actors, complex editing tools, and third-party teams. We can find numerous similar ideas such as translation, SEO articles, image creation, video production, voiceovers, and more on Fiverr. Discover the wonders of Virbo's AI video generation tool. Try it today.